Here we come to the elevators at the Xidan Joy City Mall in Beijing, China. These are the Scenic elevators here, and these are busy as can be. All right, here it is. It's finally here. I'm all going to do the best I can to take a good video of this elevator. Now this is the chance to do my cabin before lots and lots of people start piling in here. These are the Scenic elevators here. The left elevator car is out of service. Look at this mural here. I love this mural. These are Otis from 2006 with the concave type fixtures. Let's go to 5. All right, let's see how many stops we're going to be making. We're going to be stopping a lot going up. This thing is slow too. Yep, and I set it just right. See, this is out into the mall. Look at that view of the escalator. Nice. This is nice. I love the brakes. All right, we're gonna end at 1.
一个吃货的自我修养。
没有，我是为了像我朋友一样努力的升级嘛。
上次我去那个哪儿？
This is
去
2.
那个王井那个。
I think that is where I think floor 1 is where I get on the escalator. I don't know for sure.
中公园，中公园王府井店，就是用他们08的那个账号打了个600。
哇塞，那很多呀！
他那一个搓碗海参要500-600。
那你那个店贵。
See, this elevator's turned off too. You see right here. Well, luckily I wasn't bad so well, despite how insanely busy these are. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.